In the dynamic world of smart home cleaning, the Dreame L20 Ultra robot vacuum and mop emerge as a groundbreaking innovation, setting new standards for automated cleaning. This review will take you on a journey through the exceptional features that make the L20 Ultra a game-changer, providing an unparalleled cleaning experience that goes beyond the ordinary. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Innovative Edge Cleaning Mastery. Mop-Extend Brilliance. The L20 Ultra showcases a revolutionary approach to edge cleaning with its position-sensitive detector and Mop-Extend assembly. This dynamic duo identifies edges and corners, automatically extending the mop for deeper, corner-to-corner cleaning. Even in intricate house environments, the L20 Ultra ensures no nook or cranny is left untouched. Extensive automation, detailed clean, a new era of cleaning. Enter a new era of cleaning with the L20 Ultra, an intelligent robot vacuum and mop that not only cleans your floors but cleans itself. This fully automatic marvel provides a level of automation and detail cleaning that transforms your cleaning routine into an extraordinary experience. Unprecedented suction power. The Vormax Suction System. Dreame's advanced Vormax suction system takes suction power to unprecedented levels with an impressive 7,000 psi. Hair, dirt, dust, and debris have nowhere to hide. Experience optimized vacuuming efficiency as the L20 Ultra effortlessly pulls household debris out of your home, leaving it impeccably clean. Fully automatic base station. A cleaning revolution. Transform your daily cleaning routine with the L20 Ultra's fully automatic base station. Imagine coming home to impeccably cleaned floors that not only look good but also smell fresh. This intelligent base station seamlessly combines dust collection, mop washing and drying, and water and solution adding for a truly automated and efficient cleaning process. Insight and intelligence redefined. Smart navigation and obstacle avoidance. The L20 Ultra isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a smart companion. Pathfinder Smart Navigation AI Action and the 3D Structured Light Obstacle Avoidance System work in harmony to learn your home thoroughly. With the ability to identify up to 55 types of objects, the L20 Ultra delivers comprehensive automatic cleaning that adapts to your unique living space. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.